Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter X. Are you ready? Let's go! X for X-ray. X-ray. X for xylophone. Xylophone. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Let's repeat it again. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for X-ray fish. X for Xmas tree. X for xylobox. Xylobox. X for X-mark. X-mark. X for X-ray machine. X-ray machine. X for 𝐓𝐴. 𝐓𝐴. Let's repeat it again. X for xylobox. X for X-mark. X for X-ray machine. X for 𝐓𝐴. X for extra. Extra. X for 𝐯𝐢𝐝. 𝐯𝐢𝐝. X for 𝐶𝐈. XC. X for XCAP. XCAP. Let's repeat it again. X for extra. X for 𝐯𝐢𝐝. X for 𝐶𝐈. X for XCAP. X for STEAM. XTEAM. X for scarred. XCARD. X for Xbook. Xbook. X for Xbag. Xbag. Let's repeat it again. X for STEAM. X for scarred. X for Xbook. X for Xbag. Now you've learned the letter X. Let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, X for X-ray. What is this? Great, X for xylophone. What is this? Good job, X for X-ray fish. What do we use to check our bones? Yes, X for X-ray machine. What musical toy starts with X? Right, X for 𝐯𝐢𝐝. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with next fun letter Y.